carrot cake.
Chef Simon, this is my take on a carrot cake. The cream cheese will kind of like melt down on it and comes like a frosting, kind of like souffle type of dessert, but tell me what you think.
I'll do you what I shall. Colour of the frosting looks good, but you've created more of a sauce than a frosting. The frosting has to set. The cake is absolutely delicious.
What comes next? Judgment. You have to decide which one of these fine chefs is going to walk out with some cash, and who's just going to walk out and bring the bus down.
Vita's cake wasn't perfect, neither was mine. But I'm feeling really good where I stand at this point. $6,900 can go a long way helping out my little girl.
There can only be one winner, and that's going to be Chef Vita.